Hi, welcome to Redwood Interior. We're so glad to have you as part of the team here at Redwood. Let's start the safety orientation program. Personal protective equipment PPE must be properly worn at all times to protect against hazards such as sharp objects, dangerous equipment, and chemical exposure. All personnel are required to correctly wear and use personal protective equipment PPE at all times while on duty. Below slides are examples of personal protective equipment PPE that must be worn when performing tasks such as welding, painting, polishing, operating CNC machines, general work activities, operating scissor lifts, carpentry work. The hierarchy methodology is a risk management approach used to reduce workplace hazards. For example, Mr. Johan is required to perform painting works at a height of approximately 3 meters above ground level, ceiling level. Elimination: remove the hazard completely, for example, avoid working at height by redesigning the task. Substitution: replace the hazard with a safer method, for example, use extension tools to work from ground level where possible. Engineering controls: physically isolate workers from hazards, for example, scaffolds, MEWP, barricading and demarcation of work zones. Administrative controls: apply safe work systems, for example, toolbox meeting, training, permit to work, supervision, warning signage. PPE used as the last line of defense, for example, helmet, safety boots, gloves, goggles, mask, safety harness. Chemicals can enter the body through skin, eyes, mouth, or breathing. Always refer to chemical pictograms in MSDS or SDS before handling chemicals. If unsure, consult your supervisor or safety personnel. MSDS, Material Safety Data Sheet, must be referred to before handling chemicals. It provides instructions for safe handling, storage, and emergency actions. Secondary containment is a system used to control hazardous spills. It helps prevent the spread of chemicals if the primary container fails, reducing environmental and safety risks. Chemical labels provide key safety information, including 1. GHS pictograms show hazard types, health, physical, environmental risks. 2. Manufacturer information, company name, address, and contact details. 3. Hazard statements, H codes, describe the type and severity of hazards. 4. Precautionary statements, P codes, safety measures, first aid, storage, and disposal instructions. 5. Product identifier, name or identification of the chemical. Summary: chemical labels help users quickly understand hazards and safe handling requirements before use. Do not pour chemical waste onto floors, tarps, sinks, or drains. All painting waste and chemical residues must be disposed of in the designated chemical waste bins only. Any chemical spill must be reported immediately to the supervisor. For minor spills, the supervisor will activate the response team to use a spill kit and contain the spill. For major or unmanageable spills, any licensed contractor must be engaged for proper cleanup and containment. Improper chemical disposal can harm the environment. All chemical waste must be properly disposed of, monitored, and collected by any licensed contractors only. Washing hands after all work tasks. General safety guidelines for machine operation: do not operate any machine if you are feeling unwell. Always wear the appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE. Ensure the machine is in good working condition before switching it on. Do not operate any faulty machine. Report any defects immediately to your supervisor. During maintenance activities, strictly comply with lockout and tagout (LOTO) procedures. For any clarification, refer to the operation manual booklet. Do not negligence or ignore safety measures. Any unsafe condition or act must be reported to your supervisor immediately. Work at height refers to any work performed in a place where a person can fall from a height and be injured. Under Singapore's Workplace Safety and Health (WSH) requirements (MOM), this includes work on ladders, scaffolds, rooftops, platforms, edges, and openings. Summary: SGWSH standard, fall protection must be used, e.g., harness, lifeline, guardrails, when there is a risk of falling. Proper risk assessment and safe work procedures must be in place before starting work. All equipment, ladders, scaffolds, safety gear, must be inspected before use. Only trained and authorized workers are allowed to perform work at height. Work at height should be avoided if it is not safe to do so. All unsafe conditions must be reported immediately to the supervisor. Work at height refers to any work performed in a place where a person can fall from a height and be injured. Under Singapore's Workplace Safety and Health (WSH) requirements (MOM), this includes work on ladders, scaffolds, rooftops, platforms, edges, and openings. Summary: SGWSH standard, fall protection must be used, e.g., harness, lifeline, guardrails, when there is a risk of falling. Proper risk assessment and safe work procedures must be in place before starting work. All equipment, ladders, scaffolds, safety gear, must be inspected before use. Only trained and authorized workers are allowed to perform work at height. Work at height should be avoided if it is not safe to do so. All unsafe conditions must be reported immediately to the supervisor. Green tag, safe to use. Yellow tag, use with caution. Condition may be under repair or inspection. Red tag, do not use, unsafe condition reported. These are for your references. From the Ministry of Manpower, MOM, Workplace Safety and Health, WSH, Council Dos and Don'ts. Ladder safety, do not climb the ladder with tools in hand, do not lean or overreach, reposition the ladder closer to the work area, do not step on the top rung, use the buddy system where required, do not place ladders near openings, walls, or walkways. Electrical safety, do's and don'ts. Do not plug multiple sockets into a single outlet to avoid overloading, do not touch or open the main DB box, only authorized and licensed personnel are allowed. Do not use damaged cables or electrical equipment. Do's, report faulty equipment immediately and follow lockout tagout (LOTO) procedures, or appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE) at all times. Do not leave equipment in poor maintenance condition. Ensure regular housekeeping is carried out in the workplace. Slip, trip, and fall hazards. Slip, trip, and fall hazards may occur due to slippery surfaces, uneven flooring, cluttered walkways, poor lighting, or unsuitable footwear. Slips usually result from low friction surfaces, while trips are caused by obstacles or uneven ground. Falls may happen when balance is lost due to these conditions. Regular housekeeping, proper signage, good maintenance, and awareness are essential to prevent such incidents. Circular saw power tool safety, use a push stick when cutting small pieces, unplug or apply lockout tagout (LOTO) before changing blades, ensure tools are properly maintained and blades are sharp, do not remove safety guards, use a drill press vise when drilling, do not hold workpieces with your hands. Importance of machine safeguards. Machine safeguards help eliminate potential risks and prevent dangerous incidents during operation. Ensure all personnel stay away from moving machine parts at all times, do not modify or remove any safety guards. If any safeguard or safety feature is missing or damaged, report it to your supervisor immediately. 10 steps for machine safety. Singapore WSH. 1. Follow Workplace Safety and Health (WSH) procedures at all times. 2. Wear proper personal protective equipment (PPE). 3. Inspect machine before use. 4. Ensure all machine guards are in place and functioning. 5. Do not operate faulty or damaged machines. 6. Keep hands and body away from moving parts. 7. Avoid loose clothing, jewelry, or accessories. 8. Use correct tools and attachments for the job. 9. Isolate power and apply lockout tagout (LOTO) before maintenance. 10. Report any unsafe condition or defect to supervisor immediately. Common mistake in the factory: fire extinguisher is blocked or not accessible, working at height without wearing safety harness and proper safety gear, poor housekeeping in the workplace, cutting and drilling work performed without safety goggles. Spray booth painting work carried out without wearing appropriate PPE. Welder did not wear appropriate PPE. Do not dispose of confidential documents in the bin, use a paper shredder to destroy them. Do not dispose of batteries in general waste, use the designated battery recycling box. The most common causes of hand injuries are carelessness, lack of awareness, boredom, disregard safety procedures, distractions. To avoid hand injuries, wear appropriate PPE, make sure know about the work and hazard, beware of rotating or moving parts, don't remove any machinery guard protections. Below are examples of hand injury incidents. Heat and fatigue can affect alertness and increase the risk of accidents at work. To prevent this, stay hydrated by drinking water regularly, take scheduled rest breaks, and avoid overexertion. Report any signs of dizziness, weakness, or fatigue to your supervisor immediately. Prohibited behavior on premises: fighting or quarreling is strictly not allowed. Photography is strictly prohibited, consumption of alcohol is not allowed on site, cooking is not permitted within the factory, any illegal activities will be reported to the authorities and may be handed over to the police. Fire extinguisher steps, pass method, 1. Pull the pin, 2. Aim at the base of the fire, 3. Squeeze the handle, 4. Sweep from side to side. Our company CERT members for your references. Emergency evacuation, 1. Follow the evacuation route and instructions, 2. Do not use elevators during an emergency, 3. Use staircase 1 and staircase 2 only, 4. Move calmly and quickly to the assembly point, 5. Do not return to the building until it is declared safe, 6. Follow instructions from emergency wardens or supervisors. The emergency assembly area for the Redwood building is located at the building boundary line, Green Verge, opposite the fish pond at Level 1 landscaping area. CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, emergency response. In any medical emergency, call the first aider immediately and activate an ambulance, 995, without delay. First aid follows the basic ABC principle: airway, breathing, and CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Use the DRSAPT action plan. D. Danger. Check the area is safe before approaching the casualty. R. Response. Check for response by tapping the shoulders and asking, "Are you okay?" S. Send for help. Call 995 for an ambulance and stay on the line. General hygiene. Keep toilet seats clean after use, keep floors dry, avoid splashing water after hand washing, dispose of all rubbish properly in designated bins. Riding bicycle LTA regulations. Always wear a helmet when riding or cycling, wear bright colored clothing to increase your visibility, always ride close to the left side of the road, use hand signals when you intend to change course, switch on front white light and rear red light when cycling in the dark, obey traffic light signals, traffic signs, and road markings, do not weave through traffic, do not ride against the flow of traffic. It's the end of today's safety orientation session. Thank you for your time and attention. Safety first.